Hello and welcome to SoftIQ Technologies. In today's video, we will be looking at how to install a WordPress theme, plugins and data. We'll begin by first of all introducing what are themes, plugins and data in a WordPress website. So a theme controls the design and appearance of your WordPress website. It defines the layout, colors, fonts, headers, footers and overall look of the website. Think of it as the clothes of your website. It changes how your site looks but not the content itself. Examples of themes on WordPress are Astra, Ocean WP, and Divi. Plugins are like apps for WordPress. They add extra features and functionality that don't come with the theme. Example of features that are added by plugins are SEO optimization, contact forms, eCommerce, security speed optimization. So without plugins, your site is just a plain structure. Data is the content stored in your WordPress website, which includes blog posts, pages, images, menus, user info, comments, and settings. When you import demo data, you are adding the sample content, which is text, images, and layout, so your site looks like the theme demo right away. It makes customization easier since you start with a full website instead of a blank page. So the first thing you're going to do is to install a theme, and below are the steps to install a theme. So first you need to download the theme you want to use, which may be a free theme or a premium paid theme. So for the free themes, you can get them directly under WordPress. So under appearance, themes, and then you add them. For premium themes, you need to purchase them from the marketplace like Theme Forest, the Template Monster, or any other official theme developer. The theme comes as a zip file, so you need to extract the content of the zip file. Every theme comes with a documentation folder, which is very useful when installing the theme and doing customization. So the next part we are going to do is go to WordPress dashboard, log in, go to appearance, themes, and then we are going to add a theme. So you need to upload and install the theme by clicking on upload theme. For premium themes, then select your zip file, then click install. Then you need to activate the theme by clicking on activate. Then your site now uses the new theme design. If your theme has a child theme, after you finish installing the primary theme, you need to follow the same steps to install the child theme. So we're going to jump straight into our website. So from our last video, we were able to set up WordPress locally, and now it's using a default theme, or rather it's just blank the way you see it. But we are looking to set up for a company selling, an e-commerce company selling perfumes called Eden Perfumes. So the theme we have chosen is a Theme Forest theme, which should be something like this one here. So at the end of this exercise, our website is going to look like this with all these e-commerce products. So the first thing we are going to do is we need to download the theme, which is a premium theme, which we already have it. So we have it here on our desktop. So it comes as a zipped file, so you need to extract it. So once we extract it, when we come here, we can see that this is the theme. So there's a child, and then there's the primary theme. So we are going to go into the system, then go to appearance, then themes, add theme, upload theme. So we're going to choose the file. So we're going to choose from our desktop. Then we go and upload the primary theme. Then you say install now. So we've just received an error that this length exceeds the limit of 41. So basically what this message is saying is that the theme we are trying to upload is around 90 MB, and our PHP has a limit of uploading up to 40 MB. So once you receive this error, so basically this happens because your theme file is too large for the current PHP upload limits. So you have two options. You can either go to your PHP file and go and edit it. So for example, if I come here under my exam file, I come here under htdocs, I go to my website folder, Then here under sorry, it's actually under PHP. So if I look at my file called PHP ini file, if I come here and look at upload underscore max, so as you can see, the upload maximum file size is 40 MB, and our theme that we are trying to upload is actually 90 MB. As you can see, the child is a bit smaller, so you can either modify that PHP ini file, or you can be able to just come here, extract this here, and also the child, and then you can just upload them into the themes folder. So that's what we are going to do. So we are going to just upload this file, which is the primary theme, and take it to our themes folder, which will be under htdocs, Eden, WP content, themes. Then we paste it here. We're going to do the same for the child theme. So after we copy, we need to go back to our website. Now if we come here to appearance, then themes, and then we refresh, we can see our premium theme here. So we are going to activate this primary theme. So you come here and say activate. So after you activate it, so we are not going to continue with the, because this theme comes with a wizard for uploading data files and all that, but for now we want to first of all install the plugins. So we'll say here I'll do this later. So we come here to plugins, and we activate all these plugins. Okay, so our plugins have been activated, but there's also some additional plugins that are on that primary theme. So if I come here, there's one more theme plugin that is here. So I need to go back to my website and say add plugin. Then I'm going to say upload plugin. I choose my file. So I'm going to upload this core plugin. Say install now. Then you activate your plugin. Okay, now I'm going to go back to my themes and upload my child theme. So now you come here to the child and say activate. Now that the child theme is activated, now you can go back to your primary theme, and this time around you can see here activate. Then you can say let's go. Choose the language, English, then you say continue. You can choose the site title and the tagline. So you can put an example of a tagline like a touch of paradise. You can say save and continue. So you need to put the name of the child theme here, which we know is X store child. Then you install the child theme. Then you click on next. Now this theme comes with 140 plus pre-built websites. So what we are looking for is the template for perfume. So you can say import. So here you're going to install all active and activate all plugins. So this may take some time. Let's go back to our PowerPoint. So we were able to resolve the error by copying the theme to the WordPress exam folder. Now we are at the part of installing the plugins. So install required plugins if any. So many premium themes recommend or require plugins, G-page builders like Elementor, Demo, Importer Tools. So when prompted, click install and activate. So some themes include an automatic setup wizard like the one we have right now that installs required plugins and imports demo data in one process. So after we are done with the plugins, we are going to go and install the demo data. So to import the demo data, of course now with our wizard, it's going to import. So we are going to import the demo data. And now the site will look like the main theme that is online. For themes that do not come with an automatic setup wizard, you may need to install a plugin called one-click demo to import the demo data. But for our case, let's just see where it has reached. Okay, so it is still installing. But basically what we are saying is that assuming we did not have this automatic wizard, you can install a plugin called one-click demo, one-click app demo, which you can use to import any demo data. So just give it some few minutes, it finishes. So it needs to finish installing these plugins so that it looks like the final product. Of course, now this will be local and you can be able to modify any area of the website as you see fit. So as that is happening, let's just wait for it to finish. So next you say continue, and it shows you the demo that the demo data that will be imported. So products, posts, blogs, everything, menu. So we're just going to say install all this demo data. Then it's going to copy all these data files locally so that the website theme will look exactly as the main theme we downloaded. Now the demo data has finished importing. So you can click here to say view your new site. So let's just see how the site looks. So the website looks like this. It's an exact replica of the live website. And from here you can go to the dashboard. And you can just say maybe you want to see the site. And you also want to see the store. So the site looks like this and the store looks like this. with all the products, the e-commerce products. So basically we have been able to install our WordPress theme, the plugins and the data locally. So thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We welcome any questions or suggestions, and if you can subscribe and like our page, we will appreciate. Thank you.